Welcome to this tutorial on how to slice in Figma 2025. Slicing in Figma is a powerful feature that allows you to divide your design into smaller sections, making it easier to export and use in your development workflow. To start slicing in Figma, first select the frame or object you want to slice. You can do this by clicking on the frame or object in the canvas. Once selected, go to the top menu and click on the Slice tool, which is represented by a rectangle with a dotted line. You can also use the keyboard shortcut to access the Slice tool by pressing S on your keyboard. With the Slice tool selected, click and drag over the area you want to slice. You can adjust the slice by dragging the handles to resize it. It is essential to name your slices so you can easily identify them when exporting. To name a slice, double-click on the slice and type in a name. You can also add a description to your slice by clicking on the three dots next to the slice name and selecting Edit Slice. When slicing, it is crucial to consider the export settings. You can choose to export your slice as a PNG, JPG, or SVG. To access the export settings, right-click on the slice and select Export. In the export settings, you can also choose the resolution and scale of your slice. Best practices for slicing in Figma include keeping your slices organized by naming them and using the correct export settings. It is also essential to test your slices to ensure they are exporting correctly. You can do this by exporting your slice and checking it in your development workflow. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively use the slice feature in Figma to streamline your design to development workflow. Remember to stay organized, use the correct export settings, and test your slices to ensure they are working as expected.